Imagine walking through a forest, feeling the breeze and thinking you're alone. But beneath your feet, a secret world hums with invisible conversations and plants more intelligent than you might expect. Today, we're diving into some of the most bizarre and astonishing facts about plants that will completely change the way you see the green world around you. Fact number 1. Trees can communicate through underground fungal networks. Beneath the forest floor, trees are connected by an intricate web of fungi called mycorrhizal networks. These fungal threads act like the internet of the forest, transferring nutrients, warning signals, and even chemical messages between trees. For example, if one tree is attacked by insects, it can release a chemical through the network, prompting neighboring trees to boost their defenses. Scientists have observed mother trees, sometimes hundreds of years old, nurturing young seedlings by sending them extra carbon through these underground highways. It's a silent, invisible symphony of cooperation that challenges the way we think about intelligence in nature. Fact number 2. Some bamboo species can grow 3 feet in just 24 hours. Bamboo isn't just fast, it's astonishingly fast. Certain species, like Philostachys edulis, have been recorded growing nearly 4 inches per hour under ideal conditions. That's like watching a living building rise from the ground overnight. This rapid growth is fueled by a unique cellular structure that allows bamboo to expand rather than divide during growth. Imagine the engineering potential of a plant that can reach over 90 feet tall in just a few months. For centuries, humans have harnessed bamboo for scaffolding, bridges, and even musical instruments, relying on nature's own rocket-fueled architecture. Fact number 3. The world's oldest tree is over 5,000 years old. Hidden high in the mountains of Sweden is a Norway spruce named Old Chico, which has survived for more than 9 millennia. Even more astonishing, in the deserts of California, Methuselah, a bristlecone pine, is over 4,800 years old, older than the Egyptian pyramids. These trees have endured ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and relentless winds. Their secret? A slow metabolism, dense wood, and the ability to clone themselves through root systems. Standing before one is like peering back into the dawn of human civilization, a living bridge to the past. Fact number 4. Venus flytraps can count to avoid false triggers. The Venus flytrap is one of nature's most cunning predators. Its leaves snap shut when prey touches tiny trigger hairs. But here's the shocking part. It doesn't react to just one touch. The trap only closes after 2 distinct touches within about 20 seconds. This counting mechanism prevents wasted energy on falling leaves, raindrops, or debris. Researchers have watched traps learn over time which stimuli are worth reacting to, demonstrating a level of plant behavior once thought impossible. It's as if this tiny plant possesses a memory, patience, and strategic hunting skills. Fact number 5. Sunflowers can clean radioactive soil. Sunflowers are more than just beautiful, they're powerful environmental warriors. Through a process called phytoremediation, sunflower roots can absorb heavy metals and even radioactive isotopes from contaminated soil. After the Chernobyl disaster in 1986, sunflowers were planted around the site and successfully absorbed radioactive cesium and strontium from the ground. One study showed that sunflower fields could reduce soil radioactivity by over 95% in certain areas over multiple planting cycles. It's a stunning reminder that even ordinary plants can play extraordinary roles in protecting our planet. As you've just discovered, the plant world is far stranger and more intelligent than most of us ever imagine. Trees that talk, plants that hunt, and flowers that clean radioactive soil. The secrets of nature are endless. Next time you walk past a forest or a garden, remember, you're surrounded by mysteries that stretch deeper than the eye can see, and every leaf may be hiding a story older than human civilization. If these bizarre plant facts amazed you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another mind-blowing discovery. And remember, just like the ocean, the world of plants is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.